can't wait to see the flamingo show.
Me too.
I hear their water extravaganza is spectacular.
And you're only here but one day.
I know. Since they're only doing one show in Wonderwood, we can't miss it.
Oh, I don't need them? Looking for someone?
Fancy, Swash, Kiva, we've been waiting for you.
Well, here we are! Ta-da!
Yay! Welcome to Wonderwood. Whenever you're around, you know something exciting is going to happen.
That's right!
We can't wait to see you perform.
Yeah!
Just show us the way to the Wonderwood Pond. We'd love to check it out before the show.
Sure, follow us. Wait a minute. What in Wonderwood is going on?
Huh?
Oh, dear. We've performed all over Everwilde, but this is the first time we've run into a dried-out pond.
I don't understand it. There's always lots of water here.
What do we do now?
I guess this means our show is cancelled.
Oh, no!
We can't perform our water extravaganza in a little puddle. It wouldn't be very, well, extravagant.
What do we do, Felicity?
Well, whenever there's a problem, we ask the Babbling Brook for help.
We do the same thing in the grazy grasslands. Her waters show us the most divine images.
Come on, listen!
Here it is, our beautiful Babbling
Look!
Babbling? More like trickling. What happened to all the water? Excuse me! Watch where you're going, silly beaver. Hey! Rude.
Thanks. Babbling Brook, where is your water and the water in Wonderwood Pond?
Maybe we should call back later.
I don't get it. I think the Babbling Brook might be broken.
It can't be! What would Everwilde be without the Babbling Brook?
Not now.
I'm sure there's something we can all do to help, but I'm just not sure what that is yet.
We have to think of something.
One way or the other, we'll get to the bottom of this mystery.
Mystery? I love a good mystery. Hey, whoa! What's going on with the Babbling Brook?
Well, it seems to be drying up. Wonderwood Pond, too.
Yikes! That's not good.
But the Babbling Brook is the source of all the water in Everwilde.
Exactly. We need to find out what's going on.
I bet I can figure this out. So, we have a lot of water that's gone missing.
Right.
And what needs a lot of water?
Our extravaganza.
Yep, to it does. Uh-huh.
Nope. A whale.
Yep.
A what?
Yep, a whale. A huge whale.
A thirsty whale.
And she's so thirsty, she flies all over Everwilde, drinking up all the water. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's what happened.
Yeah, totally.
This is terrible. A giant thirsty whale ruined our show. Oh, no!
That do it.
A whale?
Yep, a giant flying whale.
Well, I've never heard of giant flying whales, but thanks for the fun story.
No props.
Flying whales. They would be a great addition to our show. No water in Wonderwood Pond.
That's awful.
Okay, any theories?
Somehow the water has been let out.
Maybe there's a plug.
Yes, somebody probably pulled that plug. You just need to plug it back up.
Of course.
You sure do have some interesting ideas here in Wonderwood.
Bree, you're the best fixer in town. Can you help us figure it out?
I don't know where the water is, but I think I know how you can get it back. You put the thingy on the doohickey and attach it to the bang diddy clang clang.
Huh?
You've got the vaporizer and problem solved.
Great! Let's do it! We'll be performing in no time.
Except I'm not sure how to put a doohickey into the frizzolator without a whippity whip. And I'm all out of whippity whips.
Oh, what are the odds?
Well, if we happen to find a whippity-whip, we'll be sure to let you know.
Okay, bye!
You're our last hope, Danessa. Can you help us solve this mystery?
Yes. Any thoughts on where the water has gone?
Well, I once read this old story about this really ginormous hippopotamus who loves bubble baths. But she's so big, all the water spills out of the tub. So she travels from town to town, taking baths wherever she finds water. And once she jumps in, the water splashes out because, well, ginormous. I think Sprint told me that story.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense.
Makes sense to me, too.
That'll did it.
Okay. We'll keep an eye out for a wet hippo. Thanks, Danessa. Well, the pond still looks the same.
Will we ever solve this so mysterious mystery? That cranky beaver just interrupted my dramatic moment. Those other beavers we saw were very rude, too. Very rude indeed.
Rude. Well, that's weird because the beavers around here are usually pretty friendly. My instincts are telling me we should follow them and see what's up. This is interesting. That dam wasn't here the other day.
That must be new.
Oh, no! Wait, what does that have to do with the Babbling Brook?
This new dam is completely blocking the water from flowing down the Babbling Brook and into Underwood Pond.
Ah, that solves the water mystery. But why are the beavers so cranky?
Yeah.
Rude!
Well, they don't have any place to swim on this side of the dam. They like to be surrounded by water.
Just like we do.
Silly beavers.
We're gonna have to figure out how to move this dam so the water can flow again.
Oh, but that will make those crabby beavers even crabbier.
So crabby.
Rude!
Well, we all want the same thing, to be surrounded by water again.
Oh.
Great idea, Flick. Be right back.
In the water, and then just move it out of the dam.
Looks like they like the idea. Who's ready for our water extravaganza?
Well, that's more like it.
That's a way with the show.
It's gonna be even more awesome now, thanks to your great idea. Now, there's only one way to check if the Babbling Brook is back to normal. Babbling Brook, are things all right in Wonderwood again? Yep, everything looks just right.
Yay!
Come on, we don't want to be late. And now, I would like to present the one, the only, Fancy Flamingo and her best besties, along with some very special guests.
Okay. Stay safe. Thanks. And how can we help you today? Uh-oh, you've got the curly cues. Sprint, help me take a look at these wings.
Here you go.
Oh, no wonder. This ladybug was stuck to your wing.
I get it.
Oh, thanks, Sprint.
Another success.
Sounds like someone needs a throat check. Say, ah. Just as I suspected, you've got a frog in your throat.
No, don't worry.
Oh, not an actual frog. It's just an expression. Here, gargle with this honey tea. How do you feel now? Another happy patient. Whew. Wow, I'm exhausted. And it's not even lunchtime yet.
Hello! We saw the long line outside and thought we'd bring you these.
Awesome.
Wow, thank you. How about a nice foot bath in return? Well, I'm sure you two could use a break.
You know who else deserves a break?
Who? You two. Us? But we can't take a break. There are too many patients waiting.
But you can't have healthy patients if you don't have healthy doctors.
I know, but...
Come on, Danessa. When was the last time you took a break?
He has a point.
She does have a point. But the patients...
I've got it. While you enjoy a day off, we'll help out here so you don't have to worry.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do it. A little relaxation will do us some good.
Great.
But what about your ice cream truck?
It's parked right outside. Don't worry about us. Now go. No time to waste.
Thank you. The whole day's ourselves.
Yep, the day is ours. Where shall we start?
We already have.
Oh, you're right, Sprint. This is pretty relaxing. Look at those beautiful clouds.
Oops, sorry, Sprint. I thought you were Flick. There you are, Flick. We were just playing a game of hide and seek.
I can play?
Not today. We're taking the rest of the day off to relax.
Great idea. Want to have the ultimate relaxation experience?
Sure. What did you have in mind?
Haha. Follow us. Dirt under my feet, birds singing. Check it out. That's an emerald rock. And oh, look, a wispy flower. How beautiful.
Isn't this perfect, Danessa?
What? What did you say? Having trouble hearing you guys from down here.
Hurry, you two. Time's a-wasting.
This is the life. We made it.
Isn't nature the greatest?
Oh, it sure is. But I wouldn't exactly call this relaxing.
You're telling me.
How can we help you?
Oh, where's Danessa and Sprint?
They're taking the day off.
We're here to pick up our earplugs for winter. Danessa always gives us some to block out the noise during hibernation.
No problem. 2 pairs of earplugs coming right up. We just have to find them. Welcome.
Hi, Prina.
They're taking a day off.
Okay. Well, Compass here has a rash. Probably from sitting in itchy ivy. Again.
No worries. Just needs a little anti-itch ice cream. I mean, cream. Maybe we should divide and conquer. I'll look for the earplugs. You find the anti-itch cream.
Got it.
Don't forget our earplugs.
I'm sure they're here somewhere.
I appreciate Felicity and Flick trying to help, but I think maybe it's time to relax Danessa and Sprint style. What do you say?
Absolutely. This is a cozy spot.
Perfect for a nap.
Great idea.
Peace and quiet.
Yoo-hoo! Janessa! Sprint! Hi! We were just brainstorming some new design ideas. Nature is a great inspiration for us. What are you two up to?
We're taking the day off.
To relax.
Well, if it's relaxation you want, you found the right Enchantimals.
Okay, Patter.
Crafting keeps the hands busy and the mind relaxed. It's the ultimate de-stressor.
I can't quite get this string to go through the bead. Oh, there. Okay, next bead.
Nice job. Only 50 more to go. Sprint, you look fabulous. This is the exact inspiration we needed for our latest design. We set out to help you, but you ended up helping us.
More crafting?
Oh, that's okay. I think we're gonna try something else.
Okay, we gave earplugs to the monkeys and no more itching cream to the bears. Oh, wait a second. That's not right.
There's too much going on.
I know! And as soon as we help one patient, 2 more appear.
Serving ice cream is way easier.
Maybe our ice cream truck business is easier because of our assembly line.
That's right.
So we've just got to apply the same technique to the animal rescue.
Perfect.
Oh, please get in a single file line. Thanks, everybody. We got this.
Okay, where were we?
Nap under the clouds.
Yes, our nap under the clouds. Actually, what would be even nicer is to take a nap in the clouds.
Whoa, watch your step. Ooh, sorry. Just had to save that berry kinkle blossom before you trampled it. We want to extract its pollen for our newest perfume.
What are you two doing?
We're actually taking the day to relax.
We got that thing.
Scent is one of the best ways to evoke a feeling. Try this. Sure is. Laughter always helps us relax.
I can't stop laughing. Not exactly relaxing.
Who knew funny could be so exhausting?
Welcome to Animal Rescue.
I have a bit of a toothache. That acorn was a tough one to crack.
Anti-toothache coming right up. Here you go.
Thanks.
Okay, I'll be right back. Got 'em. Here are your eye drops. Thank you. Bye-bye. We did it. We officially helped all of the patients.
Big and big team. This has not been a relaxing day.
I know. I think I'm more stressed now than I was this morning. I need some relaxing time now more than ever.
Me too.
I wish we could just float in the clouds, high above Wonderwood, without a care in the world.
Float among the clouds, you say? What are you two up to?
Trying to relax.
Yes, trying is the key word, but we haven't had much luck.
Oh, Twist and I were just taking a walk. The perfect way to relax.
Oh, thanks, but I think we're ready to relax Danessa and Sprint style.
Oh, well, we can help with that.
This is amazing.
How is it up there?
It's perfect!
Yeah, this is the life.
I think it's safe to say we're finally relaxed.
Hey, Caper, more petunias.
Okay.
Double, double, stench and stubble. fragrance whiff and perfume bubble. Oh, our new fruity petunia perfume is ready just in time for tomorrow's Wonderwood Aroma Fest. Yeah, an extravaganza that celebrates everyone's best sense organ, the nose, promoting all scents, smells, and things aroma. Our perfume is sure to win the best smell competition for the 4th straight year.
Yay!
There. Come on, let's get this home, and tomorrow we'll show everyone what smelly greatness is.
Woohoo!
Chew! Chew! I hate colds! Achoo! Oh, well. The day of the Wonderwood Aroma Fest, and we can't smell a thing. Not a sniff. Ugh. Good thing we finished our perfume before our noses got stuffed. Hey, come on. Let's do what everyone else is doing for Aroma Fest.
These Aroma Fest hats are great. How do I look? So on the nose.
Hello, Aroma Fest goers! Are you ready to smell?
Hey, Sage. Caper. You sound funny.
We're always funny.
No, not haha funny. Weird funny.
Oh, gosh, sorry.
You two should go back to bed.
What? We're fine.
I hope everyone at Aroma Fest will love my new snow cookies. Hey! No nibbling icing, Bandit.
Hey, guys.
Sage, Caper, take a sniff of my latest creation. You two should go back to bed.
We're fine. We'll see you at Aroma Fest.
Now we have to make a whole new batch of snout cookies. Isn't that great? Yeah!
Why can't I figure out something smelly for Aroma Fest? I keep coming up blank. How about you?
Ta-da!
Oh, see? You've got something nosy. What's my problem?
Hey, you guys. Ready for Aroma Fest?
What?
I said, are you guys ready for Aroma? Aroma Fest?
Not even close. I don't even have a whiff of an idea.
Well, maybe we can. Thanks. Achoo!
Goodness, sneezacious. You two have colds.
Achoo!
We gotta get you two to bed. Flick, we need Danessa and Sprint. Don't dig! Oh, you two really need to stay in bed and rest.
I'm all right. Honest,
You are not all right. You have a cold and need to get better.
but we have to enter our fruity petunia perfume. My perfume!
It sure smells prize-winning.
But that's all we had. We have to make more.
Whoa there, little stuffy nose. How can you make perfume if you can't even smell?
I can smell fine.
Let's play a little game. Close your eyes. First, smell this one. Now this one.
In that hand, you have the cantaloupe-scented walnuts. And in the other, you have turnip-flavored eucalyptus leaves. Who's stuffy nose now?
Not even close.
Huh?
Peppermints and a lemon.
Oh, how are we gonna win the best spell competition without our new perfume?
I know. Flick and I will get everyone to help you make it. You just tell us what to do.
Yeah! Well, first, you have to...
She says she needs a mitt of heathers to stir with.
Heathers? Oh, we have some right here. Don't you love the purple?
And here's some lettuce and mustard and Are you sure that's what Sage wanted?
That's what she said.
Well, seems like weird stuff to make perfume from, but she is the scent wizard.
I wish she'd wizard me an idea of something I could do for Aroma Fest.
Cotton balls, check. Fan, check. Hammer, check. For perfume?
Who knows the scenty mind of Sage?
Seriously? You thought I asked for this stuff? Feather? I said feather!
You wanted a feather to stir with.
Yeah?
You do kind of have a really stuffy nose.
Well, I think I've had enough things around the house to make do.
Up, Dines's orders. You tell me what to do, and I'll do it.
Achoo! Just a touch of happy thoughts, then a lot of jasmine. Oh, no, oh, it's not usually this hard. Let me just give it a...
Hey, perfumers! We came to help! We brought the best smelling stuff we could find in our kitchen. Where do you want it?
Over there.
Hi, everyone. You know, we were thinking maybe Sage meant feather, not heather.
Hey, this is starting to smell good.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah.
We brought some sweet-smelling ointment from the rescue center. That smells wonderful.
Makes my nose happy.
Now we just need a special fresh breeze enchantment to top it all off.
Oh, I don't know, Felicity. We're not supposed to use enchantments for selfish reasons.
This isn't selfish. We're helping some very sick skunks.
Achoo!
She has a point.
Let's do it. Yes! A fresh breeze bringing spring scent. Okay, moment of whiff.
Achoo! 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 Oh, I can breathe again! It cured my cold! And it smells great, too! Try, Keeper!
I can smell too.
We're cured! We're cured! We're cured! Wow!
Way to go, Felicity.
I can't wait to enter this new perfume in the best smell competition. It's totally unique, and it cured our colds.
Aroma Fest starting! Grab your smelliest things. Last one there's a rotten nose. Let's go!
Hey, why so down? Aroma Fest's fun.
I still don't have anything smelly to contribute. I totally ran out of time.
Come on, who was the one who led the whole perfume making and mixing?
Me?
And without your enchantment, there'd never be this great new scent. And Caper and I would still be stuck in bed.
Huh, you're right. I did help do that.
Yeah, it's all on you. To Aroma Fest.
And first prize in the best smell competition goes to... what did you call that perfume?
Friends helping friends.
Friends helping friends perfume.
Because this fragrance came from friends working together. Uh-oh, I think you all caught my cold. We're gonna need that perfume over here.